Alright boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the algorithm. Really appreciate all your support on the channel. Get involved. And we're taking a look at Polygon then. As we can see, we are very much reaching that pinnacle, that very decisive moment. We're reaching the coil of this apex of this huge kind of coiling formation that we've seen for Polygon. As you can see, we've got that fake breakout. And then now we've come back inside, we're testing support, we're at support again today, getting towards the apex of this big coiling motion. Are we going to pop to the upside and enter the bull market with the rest of cryptos, or are we going to sell off and have a huge dump to the downside? I think it's probably time that I actually put a resistance in like this as well. I think realistically, you could say that maybe we just continue inside of this resistance now, like this, and get more continuation. But right now, in terms of that first bear market area of resistance, we're very much in the apex right now. I think we'll probably head up with Bitcoin looking like it's about to break to all-time highs. CPI data was very bad for the US dollar today, which means obviously Bitcoin pumps in response to bad news for the dollar. It's just an inverse correlation usually. And we could see obviously we've had a pop-up off the lows because of that today on the daily time frame here, as you can see. Bitcoin very much chopping sideways and just bleeding alts to death. But I think we'll have our day in the sun soon, and right now we are waiting and seeing what's going to happen next with Bitcoin. So